When buying a new mattress, please bear in mind that some mattresses are single-sided, which means you only sleep on one side, and others are double-sided, which means you can sleep on the top or the bottom of the mattress. And today we're going to show you how to flip over a double-sided mattress. Where possible, we would always recommend that you get a friend or family member to help you with this. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to do. Now you should do this once a week for the first 12 weeks when getting the mattress. But after this, you only then need to do it 3 or 4 times a year. So here are some top tips. Do not pull on the corners of the actual mattress, as this can cause damage. Instead, use the handles that are provided. Make sure to still flip over your mattress even if you sleep in the mattress on your own. If you don't do this, there is a risk your mattress will start to dip where you lie. If you feel you may struggle to remember to do this, why not set a reminder in your phone so that it goes off when your mattress is due to be turned over. So hopefully that gives you an idea on how to safely flip over your double-sided mattress. Now if you have any other questions about sleep in general or any of our beds or mattresses, we have a help and advice section on our website, which is landabeds.co.uk. Or get in touch with a bed expert today through phone call, email or live chat function. We are here 7 days a week and we'll point you in the right direction to a great night's sleep.